Oh, if you want to learn Spanish, you've got to learn all of these words. Or you could just learn this one Spanish pattern hack and you will learn thousands of sentences in no time. What are we waiting for? Venga, vamos! Let's take a look at the pattern. It's simple. Conjugated verb plus infinitive verb. Do you know what an infinitive verb is? An infinitive is the basic form of a verb. For example, to speak, hablar. To go out, salir. The conjugated verb changes depending on who is doing the action. Yes, for example, let's take to sing, cantar. I sing, canto. You sing, cantas. La 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 la. Now, let's take a look at how this structure works and start building those sentences. You take your conjugated verb, which tells us who is doing the action, then simply add an infinitive verb. Now, let's see the magic happen from the pattern, starting with quiero plus infinitive verb. Quiero means I want. Quiero viajar. I want to travel. Quiero salir. I want to go out. Do you see that all we have to do is switch out the infinitive verb? Quiero trabajar. I want to work. Quiero decir algo. I want to say something. It's easy, isn't it? Quiero hablar español. I want to speak Spanish. So do you. Otherwise, you wouldn't have clicked on this video. Click that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any videos. Quiero ir al cine. I want to go to the cinema. Can you see how easy it is to create sentences? Yes. Quiero bailar. I want to dance. Now, what if you didn't want to go to work or go to the cinema? We can make all of these sentences negative. Simply add no at the beginning, like this. No quiero viajar. I don't want to travel. No quiero salir. I don't want to go out. No quiero trabajar. I don't want to work. Nobody wants to work. No quiero decir algo. I don't want to say something. That's unlike you. Hey! But yeah, you're right there. No quiero hablar español. I don't want to speak Spanish. What's the point in this video then? Yeah, let's bring it back. As we were. No quiero ir al cine. I don't want to go to the cinema. But wait, what if you're talking to someone else instead of talking about yourself? That's easy. We just changed the conjugated verb. So, quiero changes to quieres. I want becomes you want. Like this. ¿Quieres viajar? Do you want to travel? ¿Quieres salir? Do you want to go out? Yeah, where are we going? Anywhere you like. ¿Quieres trabajar? Do you want to work? ¿Quieres hablar español? Do you want to speak Spanish? ¿Quieres ir al cine? Sí, quiero. Did you notice something? We didn't learn a new sentence. We only changed one word, quiero to quieres. The pattern stayed exactly the same. Twin tip! These can also be statements as well as questions. It's all in the intonation of your voice, which tells us which one. Like this statement. ¿Quieres viajar? You want to travel. Instead of ¿Quieres viajar? Do you want to travel? Another example. ¿Quieres salir? You want to go out? Instead of ¿Quieres salir? Do you want to go out? So it doesn't necessarily need to be a question. Can you remember how to make the sentence negative? Just add no at the beginning. We can do this for both versions. Ready? Statement. No quieres salir. You don't want to go out. Or question. No quieres salir. You don't want to go out. Just remember the no, punctuation and the tone. Let's switch out our conjugated verb from quieres to tengo que. I have to. The pattern tengo que plus infinitive verb. Tengo que ir al supermercado. I have to go to the supermarket. Tengo que cocinar. I have to cook. What are you making? Tapas! 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 Tengo que ir al baño. I have to go to the bathroom. Go on then. Tengo que trabajar. I have to work. Tengo que limpiar mi habitación. I have to clean my room. Look at how many sentences we are creating just by switching out our verbs, but using the same pattern. Remember, if you want to make these sentences negative, just add no at the beginning. For example, no tengo que limpiar mi habitación. I don't have to clean my room. I think you do. Let's conjugate our first verb to another person. Tengo que to tiene que. So it was I have to, and now it's he, she has to. Tiene que ir al supermercado. She has to go to the supermarket, or he has to go to the supermarket. Tiene que cocinar. He has to cook, or she has to cook. Tiene que ir al baño. He has to go to the bathroom, or she has to go to the bathroom. Can you see the change? Tengo que, I have to, is now tiene que. He, she has to, plus the infinitive verb. Tiene que limpiar su habitación. He has to clean his room, or she has to clean her room. Do you remember how to make it negative? Just add no at the beginning. No tiene que cocinar. She does not have to cook, or he does not have to cook. Are you ready? Let's change out the conjugated verb again. Tiene que to voy a. I'm going to. The pattern voy a plus infinitive verb. Voy a jugar un videojuego. I am going to play a video game. Yes, GTA 6 is on pre-order. Finally, I thought all of you Twintastic learners would be able to speak just like a native by the time that came out. Voy a leer un libro. I am going to read a book. Voy a visitar a mi familia. I am going to visit my family. Voy a hacer ejercicio. I am going to exercise. Let's make it negative. No voy a hacer ejercicio. You have to admit, this pattern is easy to follow, right? Should we change it to we? I think so. The pattern, vamos, plus infinitive verb. Vamos a jugar un videojuego. We are going to play a video game. Vamos a leer un libro. We are going to read a book. I can't wait. We are reading Throne of Glass series. Yep, I'm on book 4. Whoop, whoop. Vamos a visitar a nuestra familia. We are going to visit our family. Vamos a hacer ejercicio. We are going to exercise. So I think vamos a aprender español. We are going to learn Spanish, especially with this pattern and all of these sentences. Don't forget how to make it negative. No vamos a leer un libro. We are not going to read a book. You need to catch up. Come on, let's change our conjugated verb again. Are you keeping up? Vamos a, to, puedo, I can. The pattern, puedo plus infinitive verb. Puedo nadar, I can swim. Puedo conducir, I can drive. Puedo ayudar, I can help. Puedo cantar, I can sing. Puedo entender español, I can understand Spanish. And with this pattern hack, we hope you can too. Let's make one more negative. No puedo nadar, I can't swim. It's really easy, right? The pattern is really easy. Come on, guys. It's time to try these sentences as they can. Puedo becomes pueden. They can. The pattern. Pueden plus infinitive verb. Pueden nadar. They can swim. Pueden conducir. They can drive. Pueden ayudar. They can help. Hopefully with all your Spanish learning from our YouTube videos. Pueden cantar. They can sing. Pueden entender español. They can understand Spanish. And if it's negative, don't forget the no. No pueden conducir. They can't drive. Now it's your turn. Choose your conjugated verb and your infinitive verb and build your own Spanish sentences. Put them in the comments. So what's today's Twintastic takeaway? Remember, don't memorise sentences, just learn the pattern. We hope you found the pattern hack useful. If you want more videos like this, click on the links at the end of the video. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other channels on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram as Twintastic Learning and Reflected Genetics, and we will see you next time. Ciao for now!